In this video, I'm going to show you how to link account in Umamusume Pretty Derby game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open Umamusume Pretty Derby game and then sign into your account. Now once we've done that, we need to go ahead and click on the menu icon on the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, inside of the menu, scroll down and we're going to look for under other account link option. So go ahead and click onto account link. Now it will say linking your game data will allow you to recover and resume your progress if your current device is damaged or lost, or if you switch to a new device. So Facebook accounts can't be used to link with data from another platform, but then they can still be used to recover data. So go ahead and click on account link. Now we can go ahead and link via our Google Play or our Facebook account. So if I want to link via Google Play, I'm going to go ahead and click onto link and link it to your Google Play account. Will allow you to share your game data with other devices. Click on account link. Now once you've done that, the page is going to refresh and then it will say link this game with such and such, so trainer ID, trainer name. Click on OK, and then you should get a pop-up saying your Google Play or Facebook account, depending which one you've chosen, account has been linked. If you want to link another account, go to menu account link and redo this setup.